Today in this video I show you how to make your own WhatsApp stickers in iPhone. For this you have to open WhatsApp like this. I have two methods to make custom stickers in iPhone. First method is to use WhatsApp. Open keyboard like this and then click on stickers icon. To make your own sticker, click on this third icon and then you can see this create. Click on it. Select the photo which you want to convert in sticker. Now select your sticker style and then click on this send icon. You can see sticker is created and you can send it like this. Now the second method is to clip photo. Open the photo you want in the Photos app and then press on the photo like this. You can see photo is clipped. Now click on copy and open WhatsApp chat in which you want to send the sticker. Click on this keypad and paste sticker like this. Now if you want, you can edit sticker by this and send by this. So this is how you can make your own WhatsApp sticker in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.